So I bought me some Snap-on tools. I think a week, maybe two ago. I spent like $1,700, $800 for the paint gun. I think it's like $300 for those, and then like 100 and something. It's probably 200, but all of that equaled $1,700, and they gave me tickets to win a toolbox. And today I came after school and I won the Snap-on toolbox. So now I got a place to put my tools at, and yeah, it's pretty cool though. I like it. Put my screwdrivers and stuff right here. It's pretty dope. It looks really, really cool. And it's in my favorite color, black. So, it's pretty cool. Yep.